What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to silence unknown callers that you receive here on your iPhone device. I know how annoying it is to receive calls from strangers, from people that you do not know, and in most cases usually we do receive a lot of spam calls or advertisers trying to reach out to us while we do not want to get those calls. So I'm gonna show you how you can actually deactivate or silence your device. Like, the person who calls you will hear your phone ringing, but the call won't notify you or your phone will not ring at all. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, in order to silence unknown calls, all you need to do is hop into settings real quick. That's the very first step, okay? So we'll be doing this for phone calls, normal, regular carrier phone calls first, and next up I'm gonna show you the second way on where you can do this on FaceTime calls as well. Okay, so anyone who has your email who wants to contact you through FaceTime, I'll also show you how you can actually silence their calls. Next up, once we're here under settings, we want to scroll down all the way to apps down here, tap once on apps, and next up you want to scroll down all the way to phone down here, right? You want to search for phone, you want to tap once on phone to open up settings related to your phone app. Now, if you're unable to find the apps section down here under settings, do not worry, simply tap on search and simply search for phone real quick, and you'll be able to see the phone app settings popping up here at the top. Tap once on phone. Next up, you'll be brought to this same settings page right here. Next up, all you want to do is simply scroll down slowly all the way to silence unknown callers, and then you just need to tap once in here, and this is it. You're good to go. As you can see, calls from unknown callers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and city suggestions. Now, please note that recent outgoing calls will actually ring because you've actually made the first contact with that person, so your phone will understand as if it's someone that knows you or that you know that person, right? So this is how you silence unknown callers. Now I'm going to show you how to do it here on FaceTime. The process is exactly the same. You just want to scroll down and tap on apps down here. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to the letter F to tap on FaceTime. So once you're here on FaceTime, you want to scroll down all the way down here to silence unknown callers as well. As you can see, the option is also not toggled on. So basically, both of these settings are different. If you do it for FaceTime only, it won't affect the normal carrier phones. And if you do it for normal carrier phones, it won't affect the FaceTime calls. So you want to tap on silence unknown callers, and there we go. We're now set, good to go, and no stranger will actually try to contact us, or if they try to, my phone will not ring. Okay, now if you want to take things to the next level, you can also turn on call filtering option, where you can turn on call filtering for unknown callers. For example, here we go, the description says missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers will be moved to the unknown callers list. If you turn this on, all those specific calls that you receive on FaceTime from a different or strange person will be moved to a different section, right? If I open up FaceTime here real quick, you'll be seeing all strange calls falling into a different category. Okay, so this is what I would recommend you guys to do in case you want to separate, for example, the normal calls from the strange calls. Now, after performing this, I would recommend you guys to perform a forced restart on your iPhone just to ensure that all the settings were clearly updated on your phone. Right now, performing a forced restart is quite an easy process. All you want to do in here is just perform a reboot on your iPhone device so all the settings and updates have been properly updated. This is how it goes. In order to perform a forced restart on an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, if you have an iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15, 16 like mine in here, or 17, all you need to do is simply rapidly tap on volume up and then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is how it goes. 1, 2, press and hold the power button, keep on pressing it until your iPhone reboots completely. Now, do not worry, this will not damage your phone. You will not lose any sort of data or anything like that. You want to make sure that your settings are updated correctly, especially if you change anything related to FaceTime. Once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you want to release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally, right? Now, this will also allow you to update FaceTime settings when you actually activate or deactivate your FaceTime, because it usually takes some time to actually update it, right? So here we go with just set up a new setting, and let's quickly wait until our iPhone reboots completely, which actually cuts all the power from your motherboard and then turns it on as if it's coming from a deep sleep. Now, I would recommend you guys to perform a forced restart once in a while, every 15 days, as it's really good just to restart your phone, keep it up and running, processing it freshly after a long time of usage. There we go, let me quickly unlock my phone, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus model, in order to perform the forced restart in here, the process is quite different. You need to press and hold the volume down button along with the power button. So you do not need to mess around with the volume up or press or tap or anything like that. You just need to strictly just press and hold the volume down along with the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release the keys and let your phone turn on normally. Right now, if you do have, for example, an iPhone 6 or 6 Plus or iPhone 5S with a physical home button in here right down, all you want to do is simply press and hold the physical home button along with the power button here at the right. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release both of the keys and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, please note that in much older devices, for example, if you have an iPhone 4, an iPhone 5, the power button is located here at the top, okay? So all you want to do is simply press and hold the power button at the top along with the physical home button. Press both of the buttons continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you want to release it to make sure that all the settings that we've changed actually were updated here on our iPhone device. So this is how easy you can actually filter and also silence unknown callers in here, and do not worry because those calls will not be lost here from your call log history. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.